Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you've stopped by because you're dying to see what I got in the January 2023 Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I'm super excited. I can't remember what I selected. If anyone isn't aware what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly beauty box which costs, I think it's like $28 now, plus $1.99 shipping and handling fee. Let's just call it a $30 box. You get 5 full-size beauty products and you do get to select one of the 5 items. But that was done, what was it, like the 10th? And my birthday was the 12th of, I don't know, mid-December, so I cannot remember. It does come with a card, and this month's theme is so fresh and so clean. I am iteration 45. All right, so here we have the first item. I recognize the packaging. This is from Earth Harbor. What are you? Okay, this is Nebula, which is an Adaptogen Clarity Ampoule. I receive this brand in several different beauty subscription boxes. Interesting. It's dark purple, and I don't know if it's ombre or if that's just because it's been sitting for a while. Let's shake it up. Oh, interesting. It's still, I thought it was, you know when you get like a bi-phase cleanser and then the oil goes to the top and you shake it up, but that, hold on. Let me really give it a good go. I, off camera, just shook this for days and it's still clear on the top and dark purple on the bottom. Holy cow, this retails for $48 and it's 30 ml. All right, next product. Looks like we have a lip product. This here is from Persona and it's the E-Balm. It's vegan and gluten-free and I have it in the shade Manifest. The packaging is very cute. All right, it clicked up. It looks like it's going to be too dark for me. Part of me wants to swatch it and then to see if it will sheer out. But the other part is once I do that, I'm going to go, nope, not for me. So I'm just going to set that aside and determine what I want to do with it. All right, the Tinted Lip Balm retails for $22. All right, what do we have here? Very small box. All right, I'm going to read the card for this one. This is from Lovecraft+BEAUTY, and it's the Plasma Gloss. It says it's an all-over iridescent bronze gold gloss, which is multifunctional and buildable, and you can use it on your eyes, cheeks, and lips. It retails for $18. Let's take a look. I have a feeling I'm either going to go, oh yeah, that's fantastic, or heck no. All right, this is what the packaging looks like. It does come in a little tiny glass, I don't know what you call this, tub. And they were not lying when they said it was extremely golden and tan. Honestly, I'm certain I'm not going to ever reach for this. I don't want to just swatch it once, never reach for it, and then I end up tossing it out. So I'm going to watch some other videos and hopefully someone else is brave enough to swatch it, and then I'll determine if I want to keep it or not. All right, next product. Ooh, I recognize this packaging. We have something from SHAINA. This here is Rosa, which is a cream blush. Okay, now we're talking. I love cream products and love blush. Ooh, are you going to be a good shade? That is some very neon fuchsia packaging. What shade are you in? Oh, okay. That looks beautiful. Actually, I wonder if it's going to be too light. What I've discovered is that when you have a cream product, it can look super dark, but then once you kind of blend it out, it then mellows out. All right, so that's what she looks like, just plain swatched. Let me put it on the back of my hand. All right. Okay, so that's very soft, very subtle, very light, and perfect for my fair skin. Okay, so this retails for $18, and interesting, they say it's a new brand of Boxy. I've received products from SHAINA Miami, and I swear I got them in Boxycharm. If they're saying it's new brand, then I guess I got it in Ipsy. All right, and then the last item, we have a palette. It's from Wander Beauty, and it's coming back to me. I think this was the product I selected. This is the Sweet Escape palette, which retails for $42. The actual palette looks identical to the outer box. Ooh, that is beautiful. All right, so we have some neutral kind of tan shades along with some kind of purpley lavender shades. Let's do a few swatches. The shimmers are calling my name. All right, so there are 5 shimmer shades. Those look beautiful, but that's on my oily fingertips. Let's get on the back of my hand and see if they still look spectacular. Some of these shades are giving me Pat McGrath vibes. It's the little purpley kind of duochromy one right there. All right, so are my lights too bright? Those are beautiful. All right, and here are the matte shades. Sorry, that's a weird angle. They had to be double swatched. This last one, not so much. And it's what I would call, it's not a shimmer, but it's not a full matte. It's kind of a mix. But I will have to play around with that palette. All right, let's recap everything I got in the January 2023 Boxycharm base box. I got the Adaptogen Clarity Ampoule from Earth Harbor, the E-Balm in Manifest from Persona, the Plasma Gloss from Lovecraft Beauty, a cream blush in Rosa from SHAINA Miami, and the Sweet Escape palette from Wander Beauty. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this box was pretty, it's okay. I've had way worse boxes, but I've also had much better boxes. There's a couple of products that, this is on me, based off of the shades, I won't use them. Like, I don't wear reds, and this looks very pigmented. Whatever this gloss product is, I typically don't reach for multi-purpose type products because if it's glossy and feels good on my lips, I don't want that on my cheeks. If it's good for my cheeks, it's probably too drying for my lips. And then the shade is, although you're probably staring at my eye look, I don't know. I'm going to watch some videos to see if it's something because I don't want to waste a product I'm not going to use. And I'd rather give it a good home where someone will use and enjoy it. When I first read that this is an ampoule, I was super excited, but it concerns me that it doesn't mix together. So I need to do some research, watch some videos, and see if that's just how the product works or if I got a funky one. Does Wander Beauty have the best formulas ever? No, but I love playing with eyeshadow, so I will never be mad at getting an eyeshadow palette. And I love blushes, particularly cream products, and I will be excited to give that a try. All right, I'm going to list the total MSRP value. I am excited that I did get a majority of makeup. There were 4 makeup and only 1 skincare, so yay. The value is not as high as other boxes, mainly because I did get a majority of makeup and not skincare. When you get skincare, that pushes your box value up super high. Now, I paid $30. It's a $42 palette, so that covered the box. And what did they say that blush was? Like 18 or 20, 22. So I got my $30 worth. Now, could I take $30 and buy a specific product in a shade I will use, love, and enjoy? Yes. But I do have an unboxing channel, and I do like the surprise element. I love getting mystery boxes. So there's that. I was hoping 2023 would kick off to a better start than we ended 2022. I think the box in December, I can't remember at this point. I either was the same, it was meh, or I want to say I liked it slightly better than this box. But I am excited for the February box because I did my selection this week, so it's still in my brain. And I believe it was a foundation, unless I'm confusing that with Ipsy. Very possible. Now let me know your thoughts. Do you agree with my assessment? Did you get a better box? If so, leave me a comment and let me know what you got that I did not. If you love these products, let me know as well. And let me know if you'd like to see me do an eye look using the Wander Beauty palette. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.